Rekha Gupta has been announced as the new Chief Minister of Delhi by the BJP. This makes her the fourth woman to hold this position in Delhi, the second woman from BJP to become Chief Minister of the capital, and the first BJP Chief Minister in nearly 3 decades. Her swearing-in ceremony, along with the new cabinet, is scheduled for Thursday, marking a significant event as BJP takes charge after 27 long years. NDTV is getting you the non-stop coverage of this development. In fact, let's listen in to what Rekha Gupta had to say.
धन्यवाद आदरणीय मोदी जी को, अपनी पार्टी के शीर्ष नेतृत्व को और दिल्ली की जनता को, जिन्होंने ये मौका 27 साल बाद दिल्ली में एक नया अध्याय जो शुरू हो रहा है उसकी जिम्मेवारी मेरे कंधों पे दी। और शायद ये पूरे देश की महिलाओं के लिए बहुत ही सम्मान की घड़ी है और देश की आधी आबादी आदरणीय मोदी जी का दिल की गहराई से धन्यवाद करती है। मैं आदरणीय मोदी जी का, पार्टी नेतृत्व का बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ कि उन्होंने ये जिम्मेवारी देकर के मुझ पे भरोसा जताया और मैं आज ये प्रण करती हूँ कि मेरा एक एक क्षण इस जिम्मेवारी को पूरा करने में लगेगा।
In fact, who exactly is Rekha Gupta? After completing her studies, Rekha Gupta, she joined the Delhi unit of BJP Yuva Morcha as a secretary in 2003 and 4. Subsequently, she served as the national secretary of the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha from 2004 to 2006. In 2007, she was elected councillor from the North Pitampura and chaired the Women Welfare and Child Development Committee in the MCD from 2007 to 2009. Apart from this, Rekha Gupta became the General Secretary of the Delhi BJP Mahila Morcha in 2009 and in 2010. BJP gave her the responsibility of the member of the National Executive. However, in the 2015 and 2020 Assembly elections, she lost to Bandana Kumari of the Aam Aadmi Party, but in the 2025 Assembly elections, she defeated Bandana Kumari by a huge margin. So, Delhi has got its new Chief Minister. Rekha Gupta is going to take charge of the Delhi government. She is the second BJP woman Chief Minister of Delhi after Sushma Swaraj, and BJP is making a big comeback after 27 long years. In fact, this makes her the fourth woman to hold this position in Delhi, the second woman, as I mentioned, from the BJP to become the Chief Minister of the national capital. In fact, she is the first BJP Chief Minister in nearly 3 decades. Her swearing-in ceremony, along with the new cabinet, it is scheduled for Thursday. It is significant. This entire event is going to be significant as BJP takes charge after 27 long years. And we at NDTV are getting you the non-stop coverage of this latest development. And my colleague Ishika Verma joins us to get us more on this. Ishika, we finally have a Chief Minister. Delhi finally has a Chief Minister, and her name is Rekha Gupta. What all is lined up for tomorrow now?
Well, Osama, Rekha Gupta is the woman of the moment. Currently, she is in fact, going to be the Delhi's Chief Minister. She is in fact, currently inside the Lieutenant Governor's office from where we are currently reporting from. She's still inside, even though the other leaders have come out. And in fact, she was there inside with the, senior leaders of the party like Ravi Shankar Prasad, O.P. Dhankar, Delhi BJP President Viren Sachdeva. Also with some of the MPs, she was there to stake claim for the BJP government that is going to take, oath tomorrow at the Ramleela ground. And interestingly, we also saw Parvesh Verma inside. We also saw Sirsa, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, the BJP leader, also inside. So tomorrow morning, we are expecting the picture will be clear because right now we have the Chief Minister, but certainly more, the Cabinet Minister's name will also be out by tomorrow. But, certainly the woman of the moment, it continues to be inside. She's the woman who has been, for a very long time with the BJP. and this time she has one from Shalimar Bagh as well, and the BJP has rewarded her. So the second woman chief minister from the BJP for Delhi that the national capital will be seeing tomorrow. And after, in fact, being handed that, a letter of approval from the central leadership, she, in fact, thanked Prime Minister Modi, because certainly, she's saying that it was all possible because of him. But we are waiting very eagerly, because in any time now we are expecting her to come out of the Lieutenant Governor's office. So certainly, she has already staked claim. Tomorrow at around 12:45 is the time that we are expecting that she will be taking oath as the Chief Minister. It is going to be a mega event, because, it is a comeback of the BJP almost after 3 decades, and over 25 to 30,000 crowd is expected for this oath-taking ceremony. Prime Minister Modi will be there, Home Minister Amit Shah will be there, but apart from that, there are the other union ministers going to be there, but also special invitees that have been, asked to come for this mega event. So a lot is lined up for tomorrow, but currently we are waiting for the woman of the moment to come outside of the Lieutenant Governor's office after taking claim for the government. Over to you.